From Motion. My name is Patrick Kelly. I'm 27 years old. I'm a graduate student at the University of Notre Dame. This is the first time I've ever made a video of myself talking into a phone with nobody else around, so it's a little bit strange and getting a little bit hard to get used to, but we're just going to give it a shot and see what happens. I'm currently in the lab working, which is unfortunate. It's like 45 degrees outside, which doesn't sound very warm. But for Indiana, for this winter, it's actually a pretty astounding accomplishment. So I'm bummed that I'm in here, but I have some work to do, so that's okay. I can show you the lab real quick. This is the lab. It's fairly characteristic of a science lab. You know, we've got some science-y glassware stuff going on here. A little flask thing there. Some cliched, colorful chemicals bubbling away on a countertop. So hopefully this provides some good ambiance for this video, because that's what I do. So hopefully that's nice. But anyways, I had some time while I was doing my work to watch a few episodes of your show, and I watched the Red Rock Canyon State Park episode, which is really cool. My parents just moved out to Las Vegas 2 years ago or so I've been out there and I've hiked some of those same trails, and it was really neat to see you guys hiking those trails. But anyways, I noticed at the end of it that you guys had a call for guest hikers. The one on that show looked like she had a really good time, so I thought I would look up how I could possibly come along and do that. So here I am. I'm trying to make a video on my iPhone here. Hopefully the quality is okay. I'm not really sure how that works, but anyways, you know, I think your show is really cool. I think it does a really cool thing in that it shows people how to get outside cheaply and easily, and just how awesome it is to go outside, be in the outdoors and explore nature. You know, I think my generation, future generations especially, are getting really disconnected from nature just because, you know, they spend so much time on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram or you know, whatever those things are, and I'm really losing touch with just being outside. And so hopefully your show will give people second thoughts on, you know, rather than go to Cancun or something for vacation, go to Park City, Utah, and play on the mountains or something like that. So you know, I think it'd be cool to be a guest hiker on the show. I'm a fairly avid outdoorsman, although I don't get to go outside quite as often as I'd like to, just because school is busy. But I think it'd be a lot of fun. I think I could tell the story well of going outside and enjoying it. I've got some natural resource experience. I study lakes and I study ecology, so maybe that would come in handy or something. And I think it'd be a lot of fun. So your website said to make a video showing my personality, and hopefully I've done that. I'm a fairly laid-back guy. I like being outside. I like biking. See that there. I like science. And I like your show. So hopefully you see this. Hopefully this video is what you guys were looking for. And maybe I'll hear from you soon. And tell Greg that he's a cool guy. He's funny. And I'd like to go on a hike with him. So take care, guys.